Hey Quickie, I wanted to show you how to make the background of your logo match the background color that you choose for your custom client app. Sometimes what happens is when you choose a background color, if I change the color here, you may end up getting a white box around your logo because when you downloaded your logo originally, it had a white background color, which is totally fine. But obviously that creates this white box effect. So what we want to do is make the background of your logo match the color that you want here. So I want to show you how to do that using Canva. So if you don't already have a Canva account, you can create a free account, super simple to do. And once you're in, you want to create a design, go to custom size, and then you want the width and height to both be 512 by 512 pixels because that's the size that we require for your logo in the app. The units should say pixels or px, and then click create new design. What will happen is you'll get this new page that gives you that blank canvas to play with. So on the left-hand side, we'll take a look at what the app looks like, and on the right-hand side, we'll take a look at how to do this in Canva. So once you have your blank canvas, you want to upload your image. And so all you need to do is just click and drag it in. Super simple. So once that has uploaded, you will just click on the image, or you can click and drag it as well. Either way works. And then you'll see that the image shows up on your canvas. So what we want to do, if I change the background color, if I click on the canvas, I can pick a random color here, and you'll see because my logo has a white background, it creates that white box effect just like here. So to remove that white background, we're going to click the logo, click Edit Image, Background Remover, and then you'll see the white background is gone. Now I'm going to make the most out of my canvas here, my logo, and I'm going to kind of trim up that excess edges, and I'm going to make it nice and big so I can make the most out of that 512 by 512 space. All right, now I don't actually want yellow, so I'm going to click the background here, and then I'm going to click Add New Color. Now, I could use the dropper and pick a color in my logo. It's a little too matchy-matchy for me, but it's close. So I'm going to just click and drag until I find a lighter version that I like, and I like that right there. And then there we go. So now I have this background color. So to download it, I'm going to click Share, Download, make sure it's showing PNG because that's going to give you the cleanest download, and then click Download. Okay, and then back in our app here, I'm going to hit Upload Logo, Browse, and then I'm going to select the one I just made. And because it's the correct size already, I don't need to do any cropping. And then there's the image. Now, this color doesn't match perfectly, so I'm going to fix that. So where it says background color, I'm going to click the box, the little dropper, and I'm going to hover over the background of my logo, and boom. Okay, so now the colors match, so it has that really nice seamless look to it. Verify that you're happy, and then hit save and launch, and instantly, your app is ready to go. And that's it.